Hi everybody, Mattias here. Today let's check out some new MIDI gear. I just got the weirdest package in the mailbox the other day. This is the Playtron by Playtronica. And apparently this is a MIDI controller, and there's actually a scheme on the back side of the Playtron here, which shows how we're supposed to connect this device. On the front panel there's 16 different controller points and 2 grounding points, and with the package you get these crocodile connectors. And if we hook up one of these crocodile connectors to, say, C1, and if we hold the grounding point and also touch the tip of the crocodile connector, we make a closed circuit, and the Playtron will generate a C1 MIDI note in this case. The Playtron and the crocodile connector can be connected to anything like water. You can use metallic objects like this key, or you can even hook it up to a plant, or the leaves of a plant. Make sure you watch the video till the end so you can hear my thoughts on the Playtron. Let's take the tour. Right, so let's hook up the USB and connect a few of these crocodile clamps. Then I'll attach the adapter to the USB cable so we can connect this to my iPad. First, let's try some metallic objects. Right, let's care for a drink. Water! Let's try it with some water. And we'll make each of these glass correspond to a different drum sound, maybe. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, hit a like, and write some nice feedback in the comments. Right, so I set up the clamps here with the glasses, and I'm just gonna connect the grounding clamp here to my bracelet, so I'm constantly grounded. Something like that, and now we can play this. Play on the water. Somehow it doesn't seem to want to connect. Maybe we need a little bit more water in that glass. More drinks. So the funny thing here is that since I'm also playing on the water here, I get a little bit moist on the fingers, and the moist ends up on the table here. And when I have one of the keys here lying besides the water, I can actually play on the table just beside, if I just press on the moist area. Yeah, so it worked decently, but a thing that annoys me here is that you're unable to control the velocity. You can power on and off a note, but you can't, there's no real way to control velocity. So that would be much helpful in a performance with a tool like this. But I guess Playtronics have another device called Touch Me, which apparently also works with velocity. Please let me know in the comments if I'm wrong about this, but I think that's the case. Apparently the kick works better than this glass with the snare. Right, so let's try some other sounds. So here we have a drone on the shortest glass. Apparently it's currently triggering all the sounds at the same time now. Maybe it's because I have a lot of moist on the table. after playing with the glasses. Maybe you should mixture the metals with playing with water. Yeah, so my conclusion here is that the Playtronic works much better with playing with just metals than playing with water. But I've seen people play with fruits and with leaves and plants. I tried to connect the crocodile clamps to my plants to the side here, but it didn't work very well because most of the leaves on this plant are attached to each other very closely. So when you're triggering one of the leaves or one of the notes, you're actually triggering all of the notes at the same time. Okay, so it might seem like a cool idea, the Playtron here, and working with this kind of clamps and connecting it to various plants or glasses of water or whatever, but I think it's more like a performance kind of MIDI controller, and I don't see myself using this in my kind of work where I need to be like more precise with the notes and more precise with the attack and also velocity, which isn't really possible with the Playtron. It's only on-off values like I mentioned earlier. Okay, so that's the Playtron by Playtronics. Okay, so let me know in the comments what you drink, what you think. Thanks for watching today, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, if you want to check out the Playtron, there's links in the description. Thanks for watching today, bye!